Okay, so guys, I'm back again with another video, the part two of this whole Shatawale Ghana Music Journal issues back and forth. I mean, this weekend, UTV, um, Showbiz, Nana McBrown, yeah, on UTV, yeah, Shatta was there. So I just had a chance to watch it just yesterday. So I say, oh, then let me bring my part two because Shatta is so annoying. Like Shatta is very, very annoying. And Abia Uyobia Oye Shatta fana. To me ye. Because we actually the sanity here. So Udo Bibia Aya ye. Yeah, you always get this mess up in your head because once you put your heart and your mind in something, you know, if they're even telling you, say, oh, Adiana Ojidino or whatever you are following on is not even right, it's hard for you to even reason to understand, say, oh, I'm passing what I'm following on. And yampa. So Shatta fans, please just open your mind and then you understand it very well. So it wouldn't be like someone hates Shatawale, that's Obi Tano and Obi Shatawale as MNIF. No, this has nothing to do with Shatawale being big or whatever. There be no credit that one waka. That's all. You see, at the end of baby, you say that to no one found to why you free talk. So we have to say it as it is. And I said, I didn't end up 14. So Shatta on UTV trying to make it look like me. That's how the picture I got. Shatta just wants to be like, okay, so from Bandana to Shatawale, and he became a big artist. Had the opportunity to have a feature with Beyonce. So currently, you know, Akwa is a Maminya face of Ghana music, which it can't be possible. You can't be the face of Ghana music. Like it can't be possible. We have so many artists in Ghana, and we have had so many big artists in Ghana. Shatawale is not the first big artist to come out from Ghana. Debut. Listen, a time and seasons. And when Obrafo was reigning, you know, that was his time. He was big. Tic Tac, Kwakese, Tiny, Okonfo Kwade, Lord Kenya. These guys, Reggie Rockstone, when he came, Achiame Esdo, these guys, big coming. But you'll be on any time. Enti Shatta Bemu with Sako Diamoni Airbano, Airbani Yinano, with some minimum Airbani Yinano. Eye omotam so no. So you can't say because Shatta Abe big and then into Shatta has been the only big artist Ghana has ever had in our our entire history. Debut, that's not possible. But you can say oh, at this particular time, you know, this is the guy of the moment. Like he has made it. He has been able to gather fans to follow him. Do you get it? So it's not like Shatta is the only big artist we have had in Ghana. Now, what Shatawale is doing here, people are not really getting it as a straight, if I should put it that way. Let's say Burna Boy, for instance. Burna Boy won Grammys in Nigeria. So Burna Boy will start behaving like he's the face of Nigerian music. We have Wizkid, we have Davido, we have, name them, Yemi Alade, Tiwa Savage is there, all those people that they are there, say shit, plenty, I'm baby. So then because Burna Boy won Grammys, no, then he will start behaving like, okay, so see, I'm for Nigeria, no, it doesn't work that way. We have structures. If Ghana music doesn't have structures, at least we have a beer existence. See, let me put it this way. Shatawale, can say he knew about High Life and he even spoke about it in his meeting. Okay, but in his address, someone kasa fine. But Shatawale, in the UTV way, no or can say Ghana a Ghanaian, Asantinian, say Igbinian, say Northern. You can't travel with fancy passport. Meaning say you can travel with Ghana passport. So what he's saying is that Ghanaians should travel with one passport. Musically, we should travel with one. Oh, they are no put there. Instead of yet asem instead of be a win here because anybody win here, but the fan say a win here poor. Fan say win here poor and you want to travel on one music journey as a country now. Oh Shatawale, started no. Now on him High Life because he said he spoke about High Life. Okay, so if Shatawale, you are a Ghanaian and you want we Ghanaians should travel on one music passport, and now start here no Usu and Jamaica for Niama. It took what Jamaica according to you. You went to live in Jamaica to learn blah 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 blah. You started doing dancehall. So when you were doing all this, Bibian can't you say, Maminya high life, and Aminya hip life, which he even doesn't want to mention it. Ghanaians, high life and hip life is our music genre. See, Shatta wants to be like, okay, I became big and I even pushed a music genre. It won't work. Like, it will make some people look stupid. As a sack of their money, if anything, Samini money, Stoneboy money, Floki Stone money, Nasifo, Chame Kwame Mo, like Omonia Jenny. And that's what he's trying to push. As soon as Obeka said, I mean, when it comes to his business side, say, okay, the charge, like, let's agree on one charge. Okay, if you are A-list artist, now you know your worth, don't go below $100,000. I mean, that one is perfect. We can all agree to that. If you are no, just call this your colleagues. So I kind of kakra now with BA Facebook Live now. Or I say, Obi Ninyansa. So people are on their own. No. They take off themselves. So it's all to me better or live. So and any pan can say their own our channel. And Obi into you because when you want to talk to me and you go and put it live, like I said, Yanka say Nippon like or no on Genia, then. As a owner, as a owner, so you want people to know, say, oh, Mr. Tadier, I know my business, and then the Sarko DS and then the Stoneboy Mono, they don't know and I'm trying to tell them, and I say, I'm fighting for artists. Is that how to fight for artists? Shatta, is that how to fight for artists in Ghana? You come on live Facebook, live wherever, and then you talk about how they are broke, how they are this, how they are that, and you think it's okay. Yeah, can also then he doesn't even want to listen. That's the worst part. Like he doesn't want to listen. Ghana Nansenya, also Nansenya Ghana. You were insulting when you were still back and forth. You were insulting when you were still back and forth. Just because Enya Shatta and Kawo Shatta. And I was started with hip life. Do you think this is the way you behave? Say currently, Shatta wants all the artists to come and form a queue behind him. So he will be the frontline person. No? Okay, so right now, Shatta Wale came. So so right now, it's really funny. Shatta wants us to put in our musical history. Say, okay, a guy came from Bandana to Shatta Wale, and then he saved Ghana music and even gave us a new genre of music. Today Ghana is known for. Shatta, ANC. It will not happen. Ghana is striving on either it's high life or hip life. Shatta, forget it. Who Shatta no? And now so because already know high life that. And it be a very difficult amount. Shatta doing high life will not be difficult for him because why you be that at the winning award. So and they're like, oh, if we try to push Shatta from dancehall to high life, a bad dream because to me yet it's the easiest thing for Shatta to do to move from his branded dance hall key, often high life key, magic. Because that's what Ghana is noted for. And so, if say Otu Kwankwa Buchina said he will find himself wanted, and that's what happens. Otifie a class I'm trying to say untia, what the doctor bonting, and that's what he did. If Shatta has learned his lessons in Ghana, and or no oya sumo obi, and otobia, and ka uncle America and Casa when they ask me about genre of music from Ghana, no, na me nim, or it got me thinking. And can set a press conference and I can say, oh, when they ask me, it got me thinking in a sense, hey, I did a man somewhere Ghana, I did a man Yenny say. So when he came back, the press conference should have been like, okay, so they asked me the question, and that got me thinking. So now that I'm back, please guys, let's hold our high life music or the hip life music and push it. Let's hold it and push it. Remember, just Ghana for forming new genre amount. Let's travel on one passport. You were in Ghana, Uni were Ghana, Unim high life, Unim hip life. Bandana, all started as a hip life artist. You didn't do any of those genres. One yet, and I also question anybody now and then maybe I don't have any problem with it. I don't have any problem with Shatta Wale trying to do dance or trying to be like Shaggy or trying to be like Vice Cartel or whoever. I don't have any problem. If that's the path Shatta you have chosen, then be on that path and leave those guys alone. Or better still, you can tell them, say, okay, guys, the high life people are doing, Kwame Eugene, Kiddy, King Promise, Darko Vibes. Listen, you guys sing amazing well. So, more high life, since henceforth, you guys should brand yourselves high life artists henceforth. So in the international appeal, no, Ghana Benya. But you don't go and come back and tell us, now we need. So I said, Nikase Muno, I said, you're forming new gen. I said, and then my brother was trying to ask him that, okay, so then Jen, our person will to see her, no, oh, suggest I'm gonna for. And then he'll be like, oh, say high life, say high life, say high life. What Shatta want to do, it won't hold water. Obin Kanche say, what he wants to do, no, it will not hold water. It on jai. Shatta best I know I send the brand, or best I know I send it because from you moving from Bandana to Shatta Wale, no, Abuao, Nyame Israel. Me pacha fa ne sare fa ko me fa bibia mbe fa ho ebe say brand no na and me say someone is hating on your success. There be no one is hating on Shatta Wale success. Obia hating on no. But nipa de oh yeah there na say oh yeah we are focused on what ade a oh yeah no na Nyame ka che say on be save Ghana music and Nyame ka che say on benye say Shatta, come and save Ghana music and you are condemning hip life. You were condemning hip life back and forth, how Reggie did not do anything, how nothing like hip life even existed, no one should even talk about it again, and all that. Also, when you make guase, like Shatta, I don't know what's wrong with Shatta. That's why I don't say he's inconsistent and I don't know, and he's confused. Inconsistent and confused, like the perfect word that fits Shatta Wale. Those two words, inconsistent, confusion. These two words fit Shatta Wale. He's confused. I said, Shatta should just come and tell us, listen, me, Shatta Wale, I'm big now. I'm branding myself as a high life artist henceforth. I'm not a dancehall artist. Because dancehall is for Jamaicans. And I'm a Ghanaian. So I do high life. And as a hip life. Henceforth, Shatta Wale, me either high life and as a hip life artist. His fans will still follow him. They won't go back. Because when he played My Level and all that, high life and the fans were jamming to it. So Shatta can do high life and his followers will still jump to it. And I even, if I say, Beyonce, Shatta Wale already know. It's a high life tune. Oh, they say, those who knows high life will know that tune is a high life tune. Because our high life goes, ke. So obviously, Otie sa FSN rhythm na. It's an me de ato FNSN. That Shatta Wale Beyonce collabo no so, and it's a high life tune. But then because we have not anchor Shatta Wale branding a home high life artist anchor we na kemba. But because he doesn't want to associate himself with things that they are in existence already, he doesn't want to associate himself with that. Or per se, BBI new. Shatta wants everything to be new. Shatta wants everything to be new. Like, okay, everything's new. Shatta came in and he became a big artist, featured Beyonce. So everything about him should be new. Is that what Burna Boy is doing in Nigeria? Because he won Grammys. So Burna Boy is now going live press conferences and telling Nigerian artists, listen guys, say. So Burna Boy will be telling Wizkid and Davido and Fino and those guys, listen guys, I've won Grammy, some of the biggest artists in Nigeria right now. So you guys, this is how you have to play your beat if you want to win Grammys. This is how you have to play your beat. This is how you have to sing. This is how you have to Massa, why is Shatta behaving like why? And then he said, Sakwa de mo infina, then nani buefu. And I want to save the industry and no one is helping me. How do you expect someone to help you with this mentality? With this kind of attitude? How? No, I don't understand. Like, how do you expect someone to help you with this attitude and with this way of handling issues? Saying non-fa, nyama, like, nyama, nyama, like, why we need solution for them? Unso and they hate on me and then look at the kind of thing he was even doing, asking Arnold, have you built a house? And I was soon accept the why Uncle go when you must Shatta, you disgrace yourself and you don't want to accept it. Uncle disgrace you have a transfer or Ghana say yeah boy also. And then so Obi can say, oh, Gary can no fee, Gary can no what of that. Childish mind and collagen like asem da wa yeka. Asem da wa yeka, then you are asking say, how does that got to do with the genre of music Ghanaians do? Ufia wato any the genre of music that Ghanaians do no. What is the link? What is the link? They be na who fee, who swimming pool, who swimming pool. And I'm at Rolls Royce. Yes, fine. God has blessed you. Buy Rolls Royce. Buy whatever you want to buy. It's your time. Obe Chemako, Emre Yendi Nkaso. Emre Yendi Nkaso. So you Obeko. We have had great people in Ghana. Great though. So Shatta shouldn't be like he's the first great artist or greatest or whatever artist Ghana has ever produced. There be only sad infinity more. Or infinity, like I don't know. Like I said, like the thing is getting to him. Like a dignity. Ghanaians should have one passport. Okay. And Ghana and young Ghana for it's either Hip Life or High Life. Choose one. It's a guy. Just go with it. Just go with it. That's all. I want about you and now don't try to change it. Don't even try it. Shatta. Say over try say and oh yes, and kind like what Shatta is doing will rather pull us back. This kind of we don't have a agenda and let's try and get what. It's rather pulling us back. We have so many issues to deal with too. Piracy, royalties, blah blah. Nema air cost for Ghana for. And you this whole yembo 90 minutes and you are more discussing and people have raised these issues. So one supporting Shatta one supporting a friend is saying George Britain when he was talking about 80 or something % of local content. One supporting. And now what chance for America better and say, okay, now so I said, Serena no Shatta, oh now pushing new agenda, everybody's come and follow you. Everybody should follow you. I didn't because of it Beyonce. So we should all follow you. Hey, and I got winning Grammys with you again and now be there. Hey, when you Grammys nomination company now be there. It doesn't make sense. Shatta should rise up from where he is right now. Also, if you honor. He should put his thinking cap on like on Jenny, on keeping the brand keep on doing his music, and then keep on making his money. If you have any advisor, call your colleagues. They are not kids. Call them. Jano. And then by force, it's not force. Equal pa now joining. Equal opa and now joining. Umpa joining and your force. So if sack say, okay, Debbie, I don't agree with you, so I'm not joining her. Why do you have to come on live and come and insult? Why? No, why? Why should everyone behave like you? It's not possible, Shatta. Wake up. If you have advice, call them. If you call them and you know them, so if you can't call them, sit down. Call them and talk to them. Okay, hey, what's up? Say this. Do you agree? Oh yeah, okay. Any friend, okay, wow. Say this. Okay, friend Stone. Okay, friend Samini. Okay, then yes. Before we know. My meeting our back door. Now DP now Ghana phone you say now Ghana music players are one. Then you meet the media people. That's how things are supposed to be done. You call Reggie. You call those who are spearheading High Life. That's Reggie is still alive. Into Reggie Wahonum. You involve Reggie. Say what SAC is doing is Hip Life. What SAC out there and all those rappers in Ghana are doing like Bear them Floki Stone. All those people Kwame. They are doing Hip Life. And Hip Life. So all those the kiddies, the Kwame Eugenes, the King Promise, the Daco Vibes, and all the High Life. These two genera and found say Ghana you want 3, 4, 5 genres and found but currently we have 2. Let's hold on to it. We have 2. That's pure Ghanaian. It's pure like and you be there. And you be there and you Ghana for your day. High Life and Hip Life. It's for us as Ghanaians. So who Shatta Wale no? You better start saying say you are High Life artists. You are High Life artists. Because if so open Ghana year pass, Shatta say open Ghana year pass. If what all that Shatta is trying to say is I love Ghana music, I love Ghana, I want to save Ghana, I want Ghana to be known as a worldwide and everything now. Shatta should rebrand himself as a High Life artist. Ofi Ghana because Shatta is not from Jamaica. And dancehall is known for Jamaicans. Dancehall is known for Jamaicans. So Shatta no sopa. So that's what he's saying. And I want to save Ghana music. I want to save Ghana music. I want to put Ghana music on a map. I want to sell Ghana. I want to sell Ghana. I want to sell Ghana. Then brand yourself as a high life artist, and nothing will spoil. Nothing will change. Nothing will spoil. If Shatta Wale brand himself today as a high life artist, nothing will change. His followers will follow him. His music will go far. His concert will be packed and all that. Because Shatta Wale high life sama yetia over the years. It's any new. I know there was also just press conference. Now, because henceforth, I'm not a dancehall artist anymore. I am not. So this kind of I'm the African dancehall king. I'm open our offer on sir. Open our offer on African dancehall king. Fine. And I say Ghana dancehall king. That's your problem. Samini ne dancehall back and forth no. And so one how yeah. Samini didn't worry anybody about let's brand Ghana music so that you friend Ghana dancehall music. No. Samini was just doing his thing. And that's it. Was enjoying his money, his popularity, and everything, and his followers following him. Dean no the baby. Award we are no winning. No, we are no winning. No, one for send and one change now. Say, okay, Ghanaians, let's all come together because I'm the reigning king right now. I'm Samini now. Because we got to a point in time, Samini was our reigning king. He was our reigning king, like the way Shatta is doing right now. He was. And so, and at that time, and I got Beyonce person yes, the African project now. And maybe Samini no fan. But it happens say time Beyonce cast person yes, the African collaboration. It was Shatta was reigning, so it just makes sense. And it's not anything special. At time, and never to Shatta Wale. That's all. So Uncle Beyonce and I drink Samini time, so person Uncle the African project now. Uncle however Samini not there. Do you get it? So it's not about say Shatta was so special and me bonfire and me catch me say and those things he has been putting in his words. As like we want to lie people like the way pastors align their congregation in Ghana no. How our pastors that amount for no nobody nyami dino bata ho no omo that amount for jom sika no. That's what I want to do now. Bibian and Yami say, and God called me, and I feel like God spoke to me, and God said I'll do this, and God said I'll be this, and God said I'll be that, and God said I'll be this. Then Beyonce collaboration, and two number two or Beyonce made up his mind to do the African project, and funny enough, it wasn't only you. You know, like the whole of Africa, he chose only Shatta Wale. He chose other artists from other African countries. It was basically his African project. So whoever is reigning at that time, no foul. So Wizkid, Davido, Burna Boy, them or other one, yeah. But they were all like reigning. You guys are all reigning. And Ghana, no, we are small. So you can't pick two artists from Ghana. Over one artist from Ghana, I said no, pick one artist from Lagos. If you pick one artist from Ghana, it's just like picking one artist from Lagos. And ask yourself, so how many states does Nigeria have? Ireland is around 30-something states. And just small to say, yeah, regions for Ghana, no. Science small regions, no. There be one state right soon. It's big. Lagos like the whole of Ghana. So if they pick one artist from Ghana, they pick one from Lagos. Obviously, they'll pick one from if anything, Benin State or if anything, Abuja or something. So obviously, they'll get 2 or 3 from Nigeria and get one from Ghana. Because Ghana is small. Ghana is small. So it wasn't like Shatta was the only artist who is better than anyone in Ghana. That's why there be and yes, next year. And yes, sir, Shatta has a following and everything. So yes, if they are picking somebody, they pick Shatta Wale. If they pick they pick Samini or Sarkodie or even Stonebwoy, it will be only one. They don't pick 2. Because Ghana is sir. Then if you go to Nigeria, you can't pick one in Nigeria. Nigeria is super big. So you can't pick one. You pick 2, 3, 4 from Nigeria. And that's what happened on the project. So it wasn't anything special to Shatta Wale. It wasn't. So Dumbia Suniswa, enjoy Adam, no on yes like Enna, he has done something extraordinary, being Tina, ain't Tina Beyonce choosing. No, there be Adubi na so. So stop all this. Esa auto pressure man. That's when you see say when young grams and people are laughing at you. Because auto pressure man they will laugh at you. So you buy that pressure for yourself, and then when you don't even get Grammy nomination, they'll start laughing at you. we should that thing should be stopped. And Shatta should just better put a stop to that. Like Shatta own jai. If Shatta wants to help Ghana music, and I'm saying this emphatically, if Shatta wants to help Ghana music, he should do a press conference, rebrand himself as a highlight on share how if we even go far, because already the Shatta name has been known to be a dancehall artist. Now all of a sudden we wake up one morning and Shatta said, I'm now a high life artist. Oh, so no, also not pay attention. No. So pay attention. Okay, so me man one way everyone more attention. Shatta like attention. On try on share. No hear the kind of attention he will get. On hear that kind of attention he will get the whole of Africa and then to the world. So we wake up one day and Shatta is saying that I am a high life artist now. Henceforth, everyone should call me a high life artist, but the name still remain Shatta Wale. No share the kind of attention of Benya. Say I bro so I need Beyonce attention also. Ever bro so. Because we know Shatta Wale, we know how big he is. So if he will brand himself, and that will show say he really means say he wants to help Ghana music industry. He really means say he wants to help. But men transfer and say and a high life no now name. But you mentioned Kabana Communist name and then you did what and then I said and when he was talking on UTV like still doesn't want to acknowledge hip life and like Sarkodie can still rap and do what he's doing and it's hip life from day one. Sarkodie has been hip life artist from day one and it will never change. So if Kwame Eugene Money or Mama can also hear high life, and no, let's push it. So I ain't to come on one passport, you know. Please, musically, we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 genres. As long as we can package it very well and sell it. We go with it. And to enjoy Saina, me person me no, Charlie Shatta, I beg. Nature sign, sir, and criticism. No, like most of the things you do, in criticism. Most of the things Shatta Wale does, in criticism. And Obian can't share. No, see people trying to massage him. Like okay, he's Shatta, let's massage him. He doesn't massage the things he says. But when someone wants to reply Shatta Wale, they say, massage asem onye ne se na bia Shatta Wale no go ball Shatta no go ball. Does Shatta think of anyone? Shatta doesn't think of anyone. He doesn't. So kasa on do their feelings on or can pin no can baby. But when someone wants to reply Shatta Wale, the person depend or I say like and Shatta Wale so know how you address him leadership by example. He should start apologizing to Reggie Racks too. And the funny thing is, Shatta Wale is just around. He did this thing with Samini, came and he saw Samini, Kakimu back and forth, did stupid things. And then when he became big, and now and I baby show bears, and I did those stuff, and they never offended me. See, Shatta, I beg. As I said earlier on, if you want to save Ghana music, if you want to save Ghana, as you claim, say, Ghana, you want to save the artist, say blah, 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 blah. You want Ghana to be big musically. Whole world, Yenji and Jenna and Tuma, no problem. Wake up one day, do a press conference, and call yourself a high life artist, and see how all these kids will follow you. All these Kwame Eugene, Kid King Promise, Dakun Vibes, Camido, name them. They will all follow suit. Shatta. Friend, high life artist. And yeah, who is Kiddy? And who is Kwame and who is Camido? Not to follow. They will follow suit. And then no, that would be a good sign. Say, Shatta is really helping Ghana music industry. And then no. I beg, Shatta. See, I have to go. Thank everybody for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be doing this as to when trending issues comes and someone is just trying to misbehave in the music industry. I'll also come and talk my mind. Make sure we are bad in it. One fan to a free talk. So we have to put our mouth inside. Yeah, very soon I'll be coming live on Facebook with my other colleagues in the diaspora. We'll be addressing some of the issues in Ghana because Yakasa and YouTube and Ghana. And still, we have the showbiz industry at heart. In Tiabeka Wasem. So very soon we'll be coming live on Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that. All the guys that Flexi, Baron, and all those guys, yes, we'll be doing this live on Facebook. We'll be calling other people to join in. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for listening and for watching and for sharing. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you. May God bless us all and save Ghana music.